Okay, this video is on a Sam's Club workbench I bought many years ago. They still sell it. They call it their heavy duty workbench for $200. But anyways, I was trying to optimize storage for spaces that weren't being used, and this workbench had two large spaces about 27 inches wide on each side. So I looked at buying metal cabinets with rollers, but you know, nothing's better than doing it yourself. So when I made the drawers, it's all Craig. The bottom is 3/4, so I can be as rough as I want with that. The Luan just wouldn't hold up for me with the heavy tools I'll be throwing in there. And the slides are very inexpensive, but they're rated for 100 pounds. They're Blums. And, you know, I'm not going to abuse it. They'll be just fine, and they're very affordable. I think they were, I don't know, $5-6 a slide. But anyways, the original feet, I wanted to have casters on, but I didn't want to spend $5 a caster. So I found these ball bearing casters, and I put those on, and they work just fine. But, you know, I silicone those on. But the problem I had is every time I leaned against the workbench, it would roll away. So what I did was I took a inexpensive Harbor Freight clamp and cut the top end of it off and mounted it upside down and used steel rivets and put 4 rivets on there. And all I gotta do is turn this like turn and a half, and you know, rolls fine, and then just, like I say, turn the half, and it's not going anywhere. So did that on the other end too, and that's it. You know, they're a lot deeper than what you'll get for a metal cabinet, for probably a little more money to make these. But this is not Baltic birch. This is stuff that they sell at Lowe's called blonde wood, and I think it's got a lot of poplar in it. But what I like about it is it's got a lot of plies. And, you know, is it perfect? No, but it's way better than buying 5x5 sheets of, you know, Baltic birch for $90 a sheet or $80 a sheet. So anyways, that's it for this build. See you next time.